This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Fairfax and Loudoun, and the Virginia independent city of Fairfax. Flood warning in effect until 8:45 p.m. this evening, replaces flash flood warning. Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of northern Virginia, including the following counties, city of Fairfax, Fairfax and Loudoun. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 8:45 p.m. Impacts: numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 7:30 p.m., Emergency Management reported numerous roads closed due to thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Centerville, South Riding, Fairfax, Mantua, Oakton, Chantilly, Merrifield, Fairfax Station. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turnaround. Don't. Flash flood warning is canceled for Central Frederick County in north central Maryland. Flood waters have receded. The heavy rain has ended.